Okay, this is problem 16 from chapter 3 of CFIN7. This is a bond issuance problem. So, Atom Motors AM plans to issue bonds to raise $145 million. AM's investment banker will charge flotation costs equal to 7.2% of the total amount issued. The market value of each bond at issue time will be $1,000. How many bonds must AM sell to net $145 million after flotation costs? Assume that fractions of bonds cannot be issued. Show how much the total amount issued will consist of flotation costs. How much will AM will receive after flotation costs are paid. So here, amount needed, $145 million. Okay, we don't have any additional costs here. The investment banker is going to is 0.72%, and so now our issue size equals them funds needed. We don't have any other any additional costs, so we divide that by 1 minus flotation costs and close it up. We get $156,250,000. So you're going to receive $1,000 for each bond. So the number of bonds is the $156,250,000 divided by the $1,000. So we're going to get we're going to have to sell 156,250,000 bonds. So the flotation costs are simply going to be the issue size minus the funds needed. So $11,250,000 of flotation costs. So the total issue size, $156,250,000. The amount that will go to Atom Motors is $145 million, and it's going to pay $11,250,000 in flotation costs.